In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uppercase letters in Excel using a simple shortcut key. This is a useful skill to pick up whether you're editing documents for work, school, or just for personal projects. It's going to save you a significant amount of time, especially if you're working with large datasets or documents that require uniform text formatting. To start, it's essential to know that this tutorial utilizes the online version of Microsoft Excel, which is part of the free Microsoft 365 online suite. This suite includes not just Excel, but also Word, PowerPoint, and other useful tools accessible through your browser. So to begin, head over to the Microsoft 365 online homepage. Here you'll find an option to sign in. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can use your existing credentials. If not, now would be a good time to create one, as it will not only grant you access to Excel Online, but also to other Microsoft services. Once you've signed into your account, the real fun begins. We'll be using an example file for this tutorial to showcase how the shortcut works. You can either use an existing file or create a new spreadsheet for practice. Let's assume you're working with a list where you need all text to stand out by being in uppercase. It might be a list of names, locations, or any items that require uniformity in their presentation. The magic happens with just a simple combination of keys. Normally, one might think to press the caps lock key and manually retype everything. But there's a much more efficient way to handle this in Excel. Instead, position your cursor in the cell where you want to change the text to uppercase. Now hold down the Shift key. While keeping the Shift key pressed, type the first letter of the word you wish to uppercase. That's it, you've successfully changed the text to uppercase. But what happens if you have a list of hundreds or even thousands of items that you need to change? Doing them one by one would take an eternity. Here's another tip. Use the upper function provided by Excel. Simply type =upper, then click on the cell you want to change or type its address, and close the parenthesis. This function automatically converts text to uppercase. It's incredibly useful for large data sets. Remember, consistency in your data is key, especially when you're dealing with significant amounts of information. Using the Shift key for a quick fix or deploying the upper function for larger datasets is not just going to save you time, but also ensure your spreadsheets look neat and professional. A little additional tip: if you find yourself using the upper function frequently, consider adding it to the quick access toolbar. That way you can uppercase text with just a few clicks. No need to type out the function each time. So whether you're preparing a report, organizing data, or just making your document look a bit more uniform, knowing these simple tricks in Excel can make your life much easier. And that's all there is to using the uppercase shortcut key in Excel. Simple, right? With this knowledge, you can now breeze through text formatting in your spreadsheets, making your data not only look more consistent, but more professional as well. And with that, we wrap up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work with Excel a bit more efficient. Remember, it's the small tips and tricks like these that can significantly enhance your productivity. So don't forget to practice what you've learned and perhaps share this useful tip with a friend or colleague. Thank you for watching and happy excelling.